This chair yoga flow is designed to reduce tension, enhance alignment, and promote a healthy spine. Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to this revitalizing chair yoga practice, which is designed to improve your posture after sitting for long hours at your desk. Whether you're working from home or office, this will provide the much needed relaxation. So we'll begin this session by sitting in a comfortable chair. See that the chair is steady. Your feet is resting on the mat or the floor, or if your legs are hanging, then you can either lower the seat or you can place blocks and or a small stool to rest your feet on them. Now lengthen your spine, roll your shoulders towards your ears and slowly drop it down, just becoming aware of the room that you're in. Inhale, and as you exhale, close your eyes. Bringing your awareness to your ears, noticing the sounds that are coming from outside your space. Shifting your awareness to the sounds that are coming from inside your space. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, noticing your seat that's in contact with the chair, your sit bones pressing into the seat, the chair. Inhale, lengthen. Now as you exhale, releasing any tension, any tightness in your body. One more breath in. Completely breathe out and gently open your eyes with a few blinks. Inhale, reach your hands up towards the ceiling. Exhale, turn and twist towards your right. Now roll your shoulders back and down, looking towards the right side of the room. Once more, inhale, create length. Exhale, twist further. Seeing that your twisting is happening at your waist. One. Breath in, reach up. Now the other side. Twist. Inhale, create length. Only when you're exhaling, you're twisting further into the pose. Pressing your sit bones into the mat, creating length in your spine as you inhale. And further, going further, deepening your pose as you exhale. Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, drop your right hand to the floor, towards the floor, left bend. Breath in, lengthen, breath out, trying to bring your fingers further towards the earth. See that your feet is resting and it's not raising or moving here and there. Again, breath in, reach your hands up. The other side, drop and stretch. Breathe in, completely breathe out. And one. Inhale, up. Exhale, drop your hands down. Now we're going to hinge at your hip. You're not collapsing here. Hinge at your hip, belly towards your thigh. Drop your hands down. Your hands may not reach, that's completely fine. Breath in, completely breathe out, sinking deeper into the pose. Resting your belly on your thigh. For any reason, this is not comfortable, you can open your knees wide, create space here and drop down. Back is nice and flat. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Come up, interlace your fingers, stretch up towards the ceiling. As you exhale, pull the navel in, round your back. Now you're going to drop your chin towards your chest. Pulling the navel in. Breath in, reach up, draw your hands back, interlace your fingers behind you, open the chest, look up towards the ceiling. Breath in, breath out. I'll show you how this looks from the side. We're going to do 3 of this. Again, interlace and stretch, pull and drop. You're going to coordinate your breath with your movement. Create length, drop your hands down, interlace your fingers, stretch and up. You can always close your eyes when you do this. Breathe in, stretch, drop and drop. Lengthen, hands behind you, interlace, stretch and open. Release your hands. Bring it forward, stretch in front of you, reach here. Bring your arms to touch. This position, hold and press. This itself may be enough for some of us. Pressing, nice stretch in your shoulders. See that you don't collapse into your spine. Keep it nice and tall. You can always open your palms and bring it back. 2 and back. 1 and back. Release. Roll your shoulders towards your ears. Drop your head to either side. Just close your eyes and whatever movements that organically comes to you, just move. Stretch where you need to. From there, you're going to turn towards your left. Come to the edge of your seat. So it's really important that you have a steady chair. See that your front foot is resting. Bringing your knee directly beneath your hip. Resting half of your seat on the chair. Breathe in, feet steady. Inhale, reach up. Breathe in, completely breathe out. 2 and 1. Release. The other side. Right knee towards the right side. Drop and shift. Breath in, reach up. Knees directly over. Toes engaged, heel up. You're trying to create this approximately 90 degree angle between behind your knees. Hold. Create length as you breathe in. 1 more. Breath in, breath out. Release. Open your legs nice and wide to either side of the mat. Hinge, fold forward, press your left hand into the mat, right hand up towards the ceiling. Bring it back and up. Again, down. You can always, stack books here, or you can place a block. Reach and back. 3. More to do. 3, 2, and last one. Stretch and release. See if you can collapse further. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. See that your feet is really stable. Hands are in contact, like they're anchoring into the earth or onto your block, book, stool. Anything is fine. Just a bathroom stool works here. Inhale, roll up, roll your shoulders. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Again, left ear to your left shoulder. Like half circles. Chin towards your chest. You can choose to keep your eyes closed. Being completely present in your body. Any distractions around you, Notice those distractions. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Those are nice opportunities to remind you to come back to your breath. Last one, to your right and left. Chin parallel. If your eyes are closed, keep a soft gaze. Again, feet resting. Now grab hold of your right ankle. Place it on your thigh. Now flex your feet. You can use one hand to do that. Press your hands. You're not doing this on your knee, okay? Press it down. Press and hold. 3, 2, your seated pigeon pose, and 1. Release. Again, press. This time, press your palms towards your thighs. Press your thigh towards your palm. Equal and opposite force. 2 and 1. Now the other leg. Flex your toes. Press into the thigh. Press your left palm into the thigh. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Now, adjust if you need to. Press your palms down. Thigh up. Nice isometric contraction here. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Release your legs. Continue sitting tall, back straight. Bring your palms onto your abdomen. Very good to help you relax, release stress. If nothing else, you can just do this breathing practice. As you breathe in, push your belly into your palm. As you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. As you breathe in, push your belly into your palms. As you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. Do this 3 to 5 times. You can practice this anytime you feel anxious or stressed. Abdominal breathing is a practice that signals the body that it's safe, and it helps stop the release of stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. I have a more detailed video. I'll leave a link up here. You can go to that video after doing this practice. Bring your hands to prayer. Take another deep breath in. Completely exhale. Open your palms. Open your eyes with a few blinks. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video is helpful to somebody you know, please share. Namaste.